Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I want to do a desk tour. I do have a room tour in my channel, but you guys know that things change all the time. Well, especially for me. I'm always moving things around, always changing up baskets. So I decided to show you guys my desk station. I'm not going to do a room tour. I'm just going to show you guys what my desk is looking like these days. Yesterday I posted a picture on Instagram, and you guys, it is getting so much love. So I thought it would be a perfect time to share this with you guys. So this is what it looks like when you walk into my room. That's how you see that little desk station corner. I have the IKEA mint green, I think it's the Alex or the Linman or something like that. I know they don't make this color anymore, but they still make the desk the same way, but just in white. Now you guys, underneath I have two plastic storages from Walmart, I think it is, when they come out with the college ones, and they're just filled to the brim. As you can see, I hate the way the drawers look. I'm thinking about maybe putting something like, just to cover all the chaos, a little lining paper on the front. That might be a good idea. And I added some bows to the drawers just to give them a little something something. Ooh, sorry. And then when you go up, I have a bunch of banners that have been made for me. I actually still have another one that I have to put up or she'll kill me. But that is what it's looking like from afar, and we are going to move our ways in closer. Sorry if I'm a little shaky, but my phone is super slippery and I'm like totally scared that I'm gonna drop my phone because I do film on my phone. So we'll start off on this wall right here. This wall just has this super cute little letterboard. Then we have just some washi that I don't really go to, and this little box, my wife brought it for me from her job. I painted it in pink and I added a little bow and just have some two little plastic hearts on the top that came out I think is in Target for Valentine's Day. This cute little picture frame, I printed the digital out and painted the frame. And that up there is when I first started. If you guys all know, I used to be planning with Liller, so I just have that there as a little memory. And then all the way in the top, I just have some pink lashes. And these are what the banners look like. The one all the way in the top was made for me by Vero, which is Daisy Lou Designs. And the second one is made for me by Shara. She's Shara Crane. And then the other two, I just purchased those at Michael's. That's what my first shelf looks like. Just has a bunch of knickknacks, little stuff that has been gifted to me. Some of my business cards from when I used to do makeup. Just a bunch of knickknacks, you guys. And then down here, that's just how I film my videos. That's a little frame that I created myself. I have two headphones. I have these, and then I have these that my wife bought for me, and this little speaker. In this basket, I have a bunch of the handmade cards that I have made, as well as some embellishments that I have made. I have this beautiful little like mask that was sent to me in some Happy Mail. And then I have here just a bunch of like sequins, glitter, stamps, just a mixture of things. In this basket is all like of that new ribbon that I hauled recently. And then I just have some go-to punches right here. And some tassels that my friend Jazz made me. Cute little owl jar filled with stamps. And then here we just have like a speaker. This cute little clear container where I just keep some of the cones that I made. Some little cups that Kat sent me. My mini punches. Back there is just a bunch of paper. A washi roll. I don't know if you can see that, but these little drawers, I found them at TJ Maxx. And let me see if I don't shake you too much to show you what I house in them. I have unicorn stuff all over the place, you guys. Look, unicorn gum. I got some unicorn band-aids. I even have my coffee and my new unicorn mug. But in here, I just have some flowers, some trim, And then in here I have glue sticks. In here I have, let me move this. In here I have some pom-poms. And then down here I have all my like embroidery thread. This back here holds a lot of my washi. And this is just a basket that I throw things in. In the back is an acrylic case with chipboard, ephemera, just a bunch of stuff. Loose alphas. Then I have this right here, which holds like my crocodile, my little bone folder, my tiny attacher, a bunch of my scissors, a bunch of pens right here, and then on the other side, because it's 4, there's markers, and this one here is another holder that has just a bunch of fluffy silly pens. And then this is another little holder that I recently got in some mail, and I just have a lot of my go-to pens and some of my little most like new stuff that I've gotten. I've added it in here. Over here I just have this little ice cream cup with some little wood veneer stuff. This is something I'm working on, and this is just when I throw little stuff around that I've been getting in the mail or that I've created. So I just keep these 2 little bowls here until I move it to its original place. So let's put this back over here. I have this cute little jar right here where I have some, what is it, confetti and some of those little gold balls that I've been sent in some packaging. Then I have these 2 trays right here, and this is just filled with ephemera. This is not supposed to be here. It's just filled with a bunch of different ephemera, whether I cut it or it gets sent to me in some mail. I just throw it in here, and I have basically 2 trays of these. One is white and then the pink one, and they both house the same thing, just a bunch of ephemera pieces that I go through whenever I'm creating a project. I have 2 Nuvo dots that I got in a package there. I recently got this stamp, you guys. It's so cool. Look at that. It's like a speckled stamp. I cannot wait to play with this today. I love it. This right here is like a little ephemera box that was made for me, and it's super cute. My friend Jazz made this for me, and it's filled, you guys, with ephemera pieces. Look at that. She filled it to the top with ephemera pieces. Love it. And then I have another little container back there with thin washi, and then some more like pens and wands that you guys have sent me. Over here I have my bloom, and then I have, of course, my typewriter. The We Are Memory Keepers is right there, so I just keep the bloom on top since I have a lot of stuff that I go to in there. And then I recently picked up these cute little American Crafts, what is it, berry baskets, and in here I have all the little Willow Lane like chipboards. I took them off the board and put them in here, so I have like chipboard pieces here, the stickers, the elements, and all that stuff. And in here I have all the ephemera pieces and stuff, so that way that when I work with that collection I have it right here. This is just some goodies that I've gotten the past few days, so I just haven't put that away. I recently purchased a brand new fan. I had a silver one, but it was gross, you guys. So I got a cute little pink one, and I always add something in the middle because it just looks too plain for me. So I put this super cute little flower there. But yeah, you guys, and that's my keyboard. A lot of you guys ask me what I have on my keyboard. I just decorated with washi tape. I think it looks so much better. You guys already know that I told you I purchased a new mat, so I'm super excited about that. And then I just have Christmas washi going down this board, like not a board, this little, it's like a curtain rod, something like that, but it's not a curtain rod, but it's like that. And I have that just across my desk. And in my drawers, you guys, I just have way too much. This is just a remote control for my computer lights, and just a bunch of knickknacks and stuff. This is all like little cards that I get, like cut aparts that I get sent, or like envelopes. Just a bunch of stuff that I get sent right here as well. Just a bunch of random stuff. I have sticky notes in the back. In here I just have a bunch of those little small baggies, little organza bags as well in there. In this one, it's just a bunch of glitters. And then we have these little like glitter glues. In here I have thin washi, some of those little eyelets for my crocodile, more washi, the rings for the tag flips, some flowers, just an empty container, some washi. I have some Velcro dots here, just some extra supplies back there, my other stapler, a bunch of tags that I get sent in Happy Mail or that I've created, or just plain ones to grab. That's that. And then we have a bunch of foam tape or red line tape or clear tape. I have some more little eyelets, a bunch of what are these called again, the little buttons, some adhesive, some little gems, more adhesive. These are other stickers that I have. If I like open them or something, they're all here. And these are all like pop dots and stuff like that. So let's see. In here is just all cardstock back here, just plain white cardstock that I go to right next to me. My ATG, some sequins, and then I have some more ephemera in there, and just a bunch of non-important stuff. And then the last drawer, you guys, just has note cards, some large glue sticks, some of those popsicle sticks, my fuse tool, some of Martha's glue. If you guys don't know about it, definitely go check it out. Some just different adhesives and stuff like that. Nothing really interesting. But yeah, you guys, that is my little desk tour. So you guys can have a little sneak peek of what my station looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed. Next, I'll probably show you guys my sticker station, so you guys can see how I have that stored. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.